We need to circle this imperfection here. Yeah, here. Yes, and this discoloration as well. It's ready otherwise.
Freshly tanned leather for the donkey leather jacket emerges from enormous rotating drums with a smooth, luxurious texture. The laser measuring systems scan every leather panel intended for the donkey leather jacket, generating digital quality maps with remarkable precision. Using these premium polishing tools, we hand-finish the edges of the donkey leather. This creates those perfectly smooth, luxury contours you see here. All right, easy now. Keep it coming straight back. Roger, looking good back there. Every donkey leather jacket enters a climate-controlled drying room where advanced airflow technology perfectly cures the protective coating. Climate chambers expose the donkey leather jacket to extreme hot and cold temperatures, demonstrating remarkable flexibility and premium leather performance in realistic laboratory conditions. Each donkey leather jacket receives a final hand polishing treatment using soft microfiber cloths, revealing its rich, natural leather grain. Tend. From the raw hide to the final stitch, every detail is considered. A masterpiece born of rugged durability. Here, in the computerized steam forming chamber, the rugged donkey leather is precisely molded by controlled heat.
Chin up slightly, look right into the lens. Perfect. We got it, the texture looks amazing.
The consistency here is absolutely flawless.
Agreed, the texture is perfect. We can send this batch to cutting. Make sure the grain matches on these two pieces. Got it. This one goes next in the sequence. Are these ready for the morning shipment?
Yes, just finishing the scan now. They're all set for Dock 4.
Right here. The tension on this stitch is slightly uneven.
I see it. It compromises the seam integrity.
This batch meets the luxury standard. The donkey leather texture is superb.
I agree. Recording the final pass now.
Advanced rivet machines reinforce stress points on the donkey leather jacket, increasing long-term durability while maintaining luxury aesthetics. Mechanical close-ups emphasize industrial...